श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम ओम क्राम क्रीम क्रोम सह भौमाय नमः ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो नारायण. Good evening dear viewers, welcome to Nakshatra Nadi, the Astral Science program. As usual, we'll be having the first English version classes from 1st of August. Usually I'll be planning to have two batches, basically one in the morning and one in the evening. Morning timings will be between 10 to 12 and evening it will be 7 to 9 p.m. Morning 10 to 12, evening 7 to 9. It will be a 15 days course spread across various subjects, right from basics of astrology. I teach you basics of astrology, completely handholding from astronomy, how it is related with astrology. Then again astrology, how it is related with astronomy. What are the principles aligned in the astral subject. Then take you through the galaxy, how was it formed. Then take you through the era. From there again I'll take you through the planetary positions, distance, their mean revolution and their rotation. From there the everyday motion of the planet, explaining how they are calculated. From there I take to the moon sign, which is very primordial for understanding the nakshatra and dasha system, which starts from the moon sign. From there I explain about the importance of the lagna, the ascendant, how it is been drawn across based on the time of birth. From there each houses are explained and the placement of the planets in detail, in depth, based on the moon sign, based on the signs or the rashis which we call. Then the placement of each planet, what are their effects based on the characteristics. Later it will be the planetary position based on their own house and the placed house. This will be part 1. The part 2, it will be Nakshatra Nadi combination, where based on the main period, the sub period, sub period which we relate with dasha, the bhukti and antarbhukti, which shows us the event which is very important, the event of getting a job, the event of marriage time, the event of completion of education, the event of finding a new house, the event which gives us bad health or the change of bad health to good health. Every area we can correlate based on the dasha, bhukti and antarbhukti. This will be taught. Along with that, in that specific, I teach you about the education combination. In education, what line suits you. There is a destiny also and there is a dasha also which drives there. Based on that, sometimes what happens, the dasha might be short-lived. Let us understand this. The dasha might be short-lived. The coming dasha, which will be for a longer period, will show us some indication in what area of life will have progress. Based on that, people would have sometimes understood that, okay, why did I choose this line? I studied this and nothing turned out to be, and I was not in this line, I went into some other line. Some people with passion, with love, they would have selected one subject, but that subject in a later system, main system and the main dasha system would not have supported that subject what they have learnt, and that might give them lesser pay, lesser salary, lesser growth. So this and all will have a setback to their career. So from education to the job transition, It's also it all boiled down to the transition from one dasha to the other dasha, from education period to the job period or business period. And at the job level, people will understand. I will teach you the combination which will be favorable for job. When is the good time, bad time, down time, up time, promotion time, money making time, tension time, pressure time, obstacle time, job leaving time, not getting salary time, all this. Then coming to the business, is it favorable if you are in job to jump into business? Is it a best choice to get into business, or is it always better to be at job? If you are already in business, there is no point of going back to job. What is the best time where it gives you more profit? What is the worst time where it gives less profit or closure of the business? That also is possible here. Based on all this parameter, there are certain indication which I give whether to invest in stock business or not to invest in stock business. There are some business which helps to take up consultancy business where there is no investment. There are certain business where investment is not there. Only your thought, your working, your legwork is more important. There are certain business where giving ideas or creating opportunities, that kind also will be there. There are business where you do a B2B kind of a thing, business to business model. For a business to develop, I will help out them as a business to business model rather than a B2C concept. B2C, B2B concept. B2C is the direct business. B2B is helping the other business to make business. This is B2B. Helping the other businesses to make business to the end consumer. B2C. B will help. Here we can also consider, by learning this subject, we can also consider whether this business will be for long term or this period is only short term. It is showing only 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. Should I actually get into this or invest money or lose out money? Very wonderfully it tells, and this subject guarantees you the reality. People might think, okay, this is a myth. There is no truth in astrology. This is only a myth. People also will say this is pseudoscience. I don't believe. Those who have learnt, more than 12,000 students who have learnt till date, 85 batches conducted, they tell there is truth in astrology. If you want to know the truth, best thing, as you are listening to my talks on this subject, best way to unfold this mystery of your life, astrology helps, especially the Nakshatra Nadi. People might have encountered bad episodes through an astrologer. They might have done many remedies based on the astrologers who are told. But the viewers who are just watching me now, I would guarantee you that one thing: you have just seeing the right program and you have come to the right place to understand astrology in the best way. I prefer 90% to join the class. I don't prefer to give consultations much. I don't prefer. Rather than I would rather than tell 100% only. Consultation is a very short term very less informative gray area. Only for that particular time you look out for an answer. For that particular time you look out for solutions. You only look out that particular. No astrologer will keep on telling you that after 18 years you will be going to have some problem. After 23 years from now, who will be keeping that in mind? Who will be keeping that in mind? If you learn astrology, no need to worry about what comes there. Every 6 months you could have a plan. What is my stars telling? What is my planet telling? And you move on, you can see the effect. It is showing bad. It cautions you. Go with caution. Whether it's job, business or finance. Whether to invest in property. Whether to invest in shares. Whether to invest in debentures. Whatever it might be. Whatever said and done. One thing, it tells you something which becomes true over a period of time. That is the beauty of our ancient seers, our astrologers, ancient seers have designed such a wonderful subject which will never change somebody's fate. The fate remains same. The fate remains same based on his karma pala. But it shows the fate and cautions. People even in the health industry, especially the doctor says that prevention is better than cure. Even the doctor says. Rather than going for cure, it is better to prevent in advance. The same thing applies here. Rather than a solution or a remedy when it happens, take precautions much earlier. If the road is very bad, just to be calm, ensure that this is what is in your manual, user manual. This is what we have bought. It's like a user manual, individual user manual. Astrology is just your own user manual. Nothing can be changed by anything. Nothing can be changed. There is a small percentage of deviation. Small percentage deviation. Two things. One, if there are very good things which is going to happen, which you are expecting in near far, that can be little bit preponed. If the result, even in near future or even in far away, if it's not there, whatever amount of austerity you do, it will not come at all to you. This is what is real astrology. This is what is real science. This is what is Nakshatra Nadi. Then the classes will move on. I'll teach you about the marriage, how is the married life. Irrespective of the combination of the other party, you will come to know the major area how your married life is. You can understand better. This is what my married life is. Okay. Rather than breaking your head, it might be a male or a female, breaking your head, getting into relationship or getting into wedlock, is it a good option or a bad option? But with pressure from the parents, with pressure from the social society, we can have a very good mind. Okay, there is pressure, I have to marry, but I have seen my chart, it shows something which is not so great. Let me marry. If things falls in place in the right manner, as per my desire, as per my mindset, as per my ego, as per my will, okay, let it go as far as it goes. It is against it, I will not bother to worry about it. I will just ignore. This is not my area. This is not my major focus to worry about. It's part of life. My working in area of partnership in terms of marriage is not so great. Let me leave it as it is, or if it is too irritable, let me move on. This is what the astrology says. It will not tell you to hang to the same problem. There are different areas where you can focus. Astrology will guide you. Astrology will also tell you, even in the next relationship, even if you leave this, even in the next relationship, if certain dasha which is little bit far away, if it is showing good after 5-6 years, let me change and try there. Let me work out. Or else just focus on my career, make money, do some philanthropy job, enjoy life, be cool. That's what my stars are telling. Study this, see this, enjoy life. If there is a health issue which is showing, do some mantras, do some Rudraksh therapy or a gemstone therapy, which might reduce to 20 to 25% of your illness. Take care in advance. What are the indications is showing in terms of health? Try to be strong if the combinations are bad. Face it with grace. That's what it indicates. There is nothing called fear to be just by seeing, okay, whatever is there, I don't know, I will fear, oh, my chart, something bad, ayappa, I will not tolerate. If something is going to happen, after happening also, you will not be able to tolerate. Before knowing, at least you will make up your mind. If something bad it shows, you will make up your mind. Okay, if the adversities comes, let me face it. When you are in a very good mood, you will have a cool mind. When the problem arises, then the mind will be blank. Then you will also come to know the childbirth, which is also at this lifestyle. People have late marriages. People have conceiving issues. Nowadays people will, you can know earlier and now how many centers are there in terms of IVF. Many centers have come up. So that is an indication people are, to a larger extent, there is a problem issue in conceiving. You can see the chart and decide, will I lose money going to IVF, which is huge? Will I lose money? People would have tried for 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Every time lakhs together they would have spent there. No result. Planets say result yes or no. Childbirth yes or no. A small investment in studying this, a small investment in learning this will help you a lot. It's just almost 1 month from today. Those who are really interested to learn this divine subject, I will guarantee you that the clear knowledge will be given, the clear direction will be given, without any iota of doubt. Without any iota of doubt. Kindly consider this, make up your mind, join the class and enjoy your life. Let me start taking call. This is what my subject is all about, the beautiful subject. Let me take some call. Namaste.
Hello.
Tell me, sir.
Guruji.
Namaste.
Guruji, I'm from Mumbai, and the problem is related to my sister's marriage.
Okay.
So we just want to know when will be her marriage
Sure, definitely.
plan.
Date of birth?
Her date of birth is 17th March 1992, and timing is 7:55 p.m.
PM, 7:55, 1955.
Yeah.
Okay. Place of birth?
Date of birth 17th March 1990.
Place of birth, place.
Place is Udupi, Karnataka.
Okay, Udupi. Okay. Okay, currently, what is the main period and sub period? The Dasha Bhakti, let us go there directly. Moon is just completing in another 3 to 4 months maximum, till October. Then the new Dasha, Mars, crops up. There is lot of 5. 5 denotes selectiveness.
Okay.
She will be highly selective. I want this kind of a thing, this kind of thing. Matchmaking will be a major task here for her.
Yeah, that's what.
True match will never come, never visit her life. She has to compromise, more understand on the attitude front, more understand on the love front, rather than her salary versus his salary, his company versus her company, his salary versus her salary, his house versus her house. This has to be understood. This is what I say. Understanding my horoscope and matching to the partner. Whatever horoscope comes, there might be matching of the horoscope, but the status will not be good. He would be not looking good, or he will be not in a good pay package. Something or the other, she will keep on cribbing.
Okay.
This is for sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
This requires a strong consideration. Here, in this combination, timing cannot be given. Any time is a good time. Got it, sir? Any time is a good time. This combination provides grooms coming to her, but hand-holding them and finalizing them is a big problem. Is it right, sir?
Yes, sir.
So alliance are
That's
coming.
what, it's coming near and it's again going. The proposal comes. Then
Sometimes what
then-
happens, he will like everything, but they will not be interested.
Yeah, right.
This 5
Everything
combination
matches then
everywhere,
something.
the 5-6 combination shows this. This I can only give a window period, approximate period, because this combination will never tell us the timing, sir. Will never tell us the timing. And her already she is touched with 30 years, correct? From at what age she started? Approximately at what age she started, or you people started to look for a alliance?
Since last 2 years, she's actually abroad.
Wherever
So,
she might be, wherever she
Ah.
might be, India, abroad, except moon.
Since last 2 years, we are looking for
Yes,
this
yes,
thing.
sir. Yes,
but
sir. Yes, sir.
some way the Kundali won't match or something or other thing, so it gets...
This horoscope matching, I would only suggest to match the attitude and just leave it.
Okay.
This is my strong suggestion. With 25 years of experience, I am telling. Please
Okay.
don't get into the nitty-gritty of matching the horoscope. What is the point? Manglik, that, this, XYZ. Never get into that. This horoscope, clearly every planet is indicating that there is a ego which crops up whoever she marries. Okay. This is the first half I am telling. To make this first half better, always select a guy who is good to her, who is good and matches to her attitude. Always give more scope, more area to talk between them. If they are okay between them and they say that we will be together, you have to put a question back. What is the guarantee? Your only question to put them back is the guarantee. Will you be happy? You people have agreed. We will never see any horoscope. Just forget it. Will you be happy? Will you be whatever comes? Will you take a oath that everything will be good? When they take a oath, these kind of people, when they take a oath, yes, I have liked that person, everything I have checked, I like, I want, irrespective of the horoscope. This would have happened to you at least once, where everything would have matched, horoscope would have gone bad. Understood, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Everything was
And
fine.
when will
Yeah,
be,
the guy would have been in foreign, good salary. He was also matching. Her wavelength were matching. Everything was matching. Because of horoscope, people just dropped it down, either their side or your side.
Yeah, right.
So for this kind of suggestion, if we keep on looking, even 33 also it will not happen. 35 also it will not happen.
Okay.
I might say this, but digesting this, not seeing the horoscope, what this guy is telling, I am telling you with experience. I am telling.
Yeah,
make
yeah.
this a consideration.
Right, sir.
Make this a consideration. She will have a good life. Otherwise, getting into the combination, looking for 33 points or 23 points, that will not work. Or matching
Okay.
dasha bhuktis will not work. These people
Okay.
only have to be spoken to each other, left for 6 months. If they are happy, they'll come both and say that, okay, we are now ready to marry each other. Then you have to put across a word. What is the guarantee you will be in this relationship till your life end? You have to put them, because their egos are very high. This kind of combination, the other combination, clash of the egos will come. That is what the fate
Okay.
it's showing here. The best way to deal with this is to put a challenge to them,
Okay, sir.
both of them in front.
Okay.
This is what this combinations calls for. This is what the counseling calls for from the astrological view. Right, sir? Only this is the suggestion. I can't give any remedy kind of a thing. Okay, you would have done all the 2 years. Somebody would have told, okay, there is some problem. 7th house somebody is there, or 5th house somebody is there. Do this puja, that puja. That would have been done.
Yeah, right,
Right? Definitely right.
right, right.
Why that has not happened? Because the main problem lies in the self issue, the expectation issue. Her expectation is quite little bit high. When the expectation
Okay.
matches with the other person, she will have high expectation.
Right, right.
She is abroad means somebody has to come there with the same salary or higher salary. Somebody should have in the same. She will not say that somebody is in this different state. She will
Yeah.
not be able to go there, which is around 200-300 kilometers back. And if he is working in a little bit non-recognized company, no, it's not. He is not up to the mark. Though he might have done MS, GIMS and all. If she has also done MS, his MS is little bit tagada. Mine is little bit. I want that matching. She always look at the same wavelength.
Right.
These type of horoscopes we can learn in my astrology. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This only my remedy. Only look at a guy, what she likes. Don't. People knew your mother, I don't know, you are a brother for her, huh? Who is it?
I'm brother,
Okay.
elder brother.
Elder brother. Being elder brother, mother might say, what, without Jatka, how can we decide this
No,
and all?
mother is mother is in very much tension. So now she is touching 30, so.
She is hearing
so
my,
quite
this one?
pressure is there. Even on her.
Your mother is hearing, right?
Yeah.
If she can understand, if she'll be knowing English, I believe. Okay. So if she can understand, I will tell to your family, just ignore the combinations, what is coming. Don't give to any pandit. Just go ahead with their mindset, and ensure before marriage, after their somebody will come which matches their mindset. But that will not be a what do you call expectancy. Marriage expectancy is very less.
Got it, sir.
It is bound to bounce back. Okay. Just by seeing horoscope combination, it will not work. Just leave them. Are you okay, both of you? We have just shown you. We will never see any horoscope. You give us a guarantee. Finished. Period. Thank you, sir. Good luck.
Okay.
Namaste. Namaste. Good evening.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
Sorry, I want to ask about my brother's career, Guruji.
What is making you laugh? I don't know.
Currently, he is facing lot of problems in.
Hey, what is making you laugh? I'm asking you first.
What? Pardon, sir?
What is he making you laughing? You are laughing, right?
No,
Not
sir. No, Guruji.
You are crying.
When I get the call, so
Okay, excitement.
Yeah, because of excitement, Guruji, I don't know what to talk because I'm trying from so many days. So
I think out of
Guruji.
many callers till date, somebody is laughing and telling my brother is in lot of problem. You are laughing and telling.
No, Guruji, no. Actually, your program is coming out very well, Guruji. It's very informative.
Oh, really?
So, really, Guruji, we are waiting for
Okay.
your program.
So late you like to watch this program, even it is 11 p.m. now.
You are very much interested, Guruji. Very much. Actually, I am following you from actually even in Kannada channel also.
Oh, great. Okay, very good. Great.
So from 9:30 to 11:30.
2 hours you people sit and continue. Wow, watch like a movie.
No, because I'm great follower of you, Guruji. Really, I'm.
Thank you. Thanks. The following is based on my subject.
Yes, Guruji.
I am just a catalyst here.
Yeah, Guruji.
I'm just a catalyst here.
Guruji.
Okay.
And also I'm following every tip you are giving.
Great. One additional request. Also plan for the classes. Okay. Also plan for the classes.
Guruji.
Good luck.
Actually, I'm very much interested, Guruji.
Either for Kannada classes or English classes, whatever you prefer.
No,
Okay.
Guruji, definitely I will take this.
Done. Yeah.
Guruji,
Okay. Thank you. You just tell me. We have to rush. We have to
my
take a break.
brother name is Rajesh, Guruji. Rajesh. His date of birth is 21/4/1970. 4:50 a.m.
Place of birth?
Place of birth Shumaga, Guruji.
Question.
Actually, he is facing lot of problems in his existing job. So he is seeking for a new job. So is there any chances of getting new job or any promotion in the existing job, Guruji?
You are telling one side you are telling problem and you are expecting promotion. Oh, both are conflicting. And your brother is 51 years.
Yes, Guruji.
Abba, at 51, problem should get over by 40. Otherwise, when to enjoy life? Struggle should be up to 40, whatever it might be. After 40, even if you don't get, you should be silent. Even if you get, you should be silent. Both ways, we should be silent. Okay, what to do? Our desires will not leave that. That is the problem. Saturn Dasha is running, and till 2022 February, Mars. Saturn shows 227, Mars is showing 212. Let me see the sub period which is showing. That might give a killer effect, I believe. Okay, Saturn again. Let me see the secondary. There is 12, 5, 8, 12. There is tension. 5, 8, 12 at the secondary level, but he will not lose any job.
Okay.
He will not lose any job. His main problem is his boss.
Yeah.
His boss, 5, 8, 12 shows that his boss is putting lot of pressure, but the boss will never throw him out.
Yeah, okay.
That is your first point.
Still he's having so many problems, and also.
From how long is keep on telling that he has problem in the job?
Actually, from last I think 5 or 6 years, Guruji.
Okay, then now you should tell that it should have been a practice now, telling the same problem. It should be a practice, no? The same problem is repeating. When the same problem repeats, it becomes a practice. Why to worry? Okay, right, don't worry. I will give him some suggestion. Sixth house is very good. Ask him to wear one 8-face Rudrakshi, which reduces his tension, calmness, pressure. He wants to have a serene atmosphere in job. That is not possible. The second suggestion for him to wear, Saturn is in the second house. Let him wear one blue sapphire. Okay?
Okay.
Good luck.
Okay. Thank you very much, Guruji.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Okay, let us join back after a small break. Okay, welcome back. Let us go for the next call. Good evening. Hello. 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 Hello, please. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can you just talk?
Yeah, speaking. Tell me.
Sorry, sir. Sir, I want to ask about my mother for open heart surgery. I don't have a date of birth.
Oh, okay. Tell me 1 to 249 number.
6, and sir, we are gonna admit on Saturday.
No, wait.
And
What is the number you said?
6.
6. Wait. Let me put it across. Now tell me the date. Saturday.
Saturday we are gonna admit, and operation might.
Third, right? Saturday is 3rd.
Sir.
Operation?
First they'll do angiogram. Based on that, it might be on Monday or Tuesday.
Venus, Rahu, Moon and Venus. Till August, May to August, Rahu, Moon and Venus. Let me look at Venus first. Okay, complicated. Let me go to Moon. Moon is 11, success. There is a slight complication which will happen. There is a slight complication because 4th house, it shows this one. There will be little bit of tension even for the doctor. 4th house gives tension, but there is also 11 and a 4. But this will be little bit complicated one. I would suggest to donate curd coming this Friday. This Friday, kindly donate curd for poor people and ask her to chant one mantra. I will suggest to chant one mantra. Om Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namah Om. This will be very good because Moon, which is showing 511, and the heart region also is being governed by the Moon, the Cancer and the Sun, both rules that. So I would suggest to chant Om Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namah Om. The fag end, there will be little bit of tension, but nothing to worry because Dasha is quite strong, Bhukti also quite strong. Just pray for Lord Shiva. That's the only thing I would suggest here, and donate whatever I had said. Okay, good. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, I'm calling from Chennai.
Tell me, sir.
Shall I tell my date of birth?
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir. I am ready to put it across.
January 4th, 1972.
4th January 1992. 4th January 1992.
72, sir.
Huh?
1972.
Oh, not 1982. Okay. Okay. 4th January 1972.
72, yes.
Time.
1972.
Done, sir. Time and place.
Time 7:50 a.m.
Okay. Place. Place of birth.
Tiruvannamalai. Name, place of birth, Chennai.
Okay. Chennai. Yeah. Question, sir. Question.
Sir, I'm doing business. How will be my business now and near future?
Okay, sir. So your moon sign is Karkataka, Ashlesham, Ailam.
Yes.
Currently till 2022 Mars Dasha is running.
Yes, sir.
Shevai Dasam, what you call.
Yes.
Next Rahu is coming across. Let us see Rahu 171 from Mars. There is a decrease in terms of business, sir. Let me look at here. From high 22 August till 22 August, I think you might be facing little bit of drop in business, right?
What, sir? I couldn't understand.
Little drop in business you are facing compared to earlier?
Actually, I have started on new business.
Because the next Dasha, which will be going for 18 years.
Yes.
18 years of Rahu Dasha will not give you much finances. Let me see the condition of Rahu overall. 12 is not there, that's a saving grace, but from 11, 2, 4, 11, the Mars Dasha, which was having 11, 2, 7, 11, and it is dropping down drastically, sir. Your finances are dropping down, but there is little bit of name and fame which retains. Through the name and fame, you will still continue to do the business. Through name and fame only. If you have a very long back name, through that only it will be continuing, but not much profit. To have much profit, I would suggest you to make some Rudrakshar stone. I'll suggest you just donate wheat. Okay, wheat every Sunday for next 3 months, and after that monthly one Sunday, every Sunday. Okay, for 3 months every Sunday, from the 4th month just one Sunday. Then along with that, I would suggest you, which is coming to then Mercury is 11, Jupiter is 11, 311 Mercury. Mercury is really strong with 11. 6 and 9 is stronger. Okay. I would suggest you to wear on the emerald, if not at least for peridot. And kindly keep a grey kerchief along with you, grey. So kindly chant one mantra which I suggest to improve your business, which will help you out in a long run. Om Namo Narasimha Tavadasoham. Okay, but business will be less. Good luck. August 1st, we will have the first session in English medium. Those who are interested, kindly register. Still we have time, don't worry. We will start the first classes, and those who are just seeing from Chennai, some from Mumbai, some people from Kerala, if you are watching my program, make a sankalpam that let me learn this divine subject. I will ensure you that you will definitely understand this subject, and I will ensure that you will adapt this astrology to your life, and you will really be happy. Your whatever your fear will go away, because everybody have got a fear of what is next. That is life. In life, if we have fear, it is only what is next. The fear of what is next. Any area you take, a job, business, finance, marriage, even childbirth also. What is next? No, it's not. What is next? What is next? What is next? Don't worry. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, I'm calling from Bangalore.
Tell me.
Sir, my date of birth is 8/4/1990. Place of birth is Bangalore.
Yeah, say slow.
Okay. 8/4/1990.
1990.
7:27 a.m. And place of birth is Bangalore.
Okay, great.
Sir, I want to ask about my engagement. My engagement got in March 24th, 2021.
Recently.
Yes, sir. And some miscommunication problem had happened recently, that is on Sunday.
Rahu, Mercury, let me see the Antarbhukti. Okay, एक second. Rahu, Saturn, Rahu, Mercury, Saturn. Rahu, Mercury, Saturn. Let me look at the three things. Rahu 5/4, Mercury 2/4/12, Saturn 2/10. Ego clash, nothing else.
Okay.
Just some talk, some behavioral issue.
Okay.
What? For what? For money they had a problem, or what problem?
No, sir. Communication gap, sir.
Ego. Don't cry. Don't cry. Please don't cry. I would suggest always take this as a positive mindset. If the attitude of that boy at this condition is so bad, just think after marriage what will be your life. And as a girl, I am telling you, as a girl, people think, especially the female, think that once marriage happened, she'll always looking but end. This is the end. Until my last breath, I want to be with one person, whom I have selected. Correct? Engagement might be a hindrance. Engagement might be a hindrance. Engagement might be a hindrance, I am telling you. Because your horoscope is telling there is ego clashes. 10. So I would suggest, please rethink. A person who has not joined hands at all with you, it is hardly 3 months. That person, I should not use this word here, BS. You can understand. That person is a BS. Okay? As a guru, I am giving you confidence. No.
Okay.
No. Your life is good. I think you have a good job.
Yeah,
You have a good career. Please focus on it. 10 is there. You have a great career. The combination is showing that you can go abroad, work there, or be here.
Okay.
Everything is fine. But just because this is happening, don't bog down to your parents' pressure that you have to marry, because the loser is you. It's a clear indication here. some transit might have given you some marriage, but before this marriage, it is giving a warning. This is what is about in the indication. Who watches my program?
Being,
No, who is
I-
watching, your mother or you?
no, I will watch every day. I watch in Kannada also and English also.
Acha. See, your horoscope I put across 10-10. I'll just show you little bit further because just your engagement has happened. I'll just go further and show you the Dasha Bhukti, what is running in the marriage, okay?
Mm.
So, Rahu, the success rate, low success in marriage and married life, correct? The transit has made you the marriage, excellent success in marriage. It's only a transit. Transit means the planets are just moving. They are moving away. They will go away. It's just like the passing clouds. But this is what retains here. This is only a transit they call. Gocharam they call. It is showing excellent. That is one reason. Fifth house is the house of ego. Very low success. What is the reason? Let us see. What it will give. Love with a person or highly selective person in marriage or less interest. Focus more on discussion on partner's behavior. Your partner's behavior. He will talk more about your behavior. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
So loss of love happens. Be very careful. This is one thing. Don't worry.
Okay. Should
Don't worry. I don't want to ask you what has happened between you and I don't want to make that mockery in the public. You have understood what has happened. I can understand what has happened between you and him. It's just few talks. Something would have been spoken, overspoken,
Yes.
which you would have apologized also.
Yes. I apologize also. Actually,
Yeah, don't worry. You can bend down, but you cannot fall down, right?
Yeah, I can.
Bending down is good, but not falling down. Okay?
Yeah. Should I make my parents to talk to him?
I don't think so. What is his age?
He's 18, 12, 19, 18.
No. What is his age?
It is almost he's 33.
Ignore. Please, this will be recorded in this YouTube. Okay? You will get this in YouTube. Just forward. I am telling, please don't get into this wedlock. Strong indication. I am telling you a very strong indication. 33 should have maturity.
Yeah.
Maturity. He should guide you. He should not punish you, right?
Yes.
And he is not married at all. He cannot have a very fast rule before marriage. Then after marriage you will be in a dungeon. I am telling you. You will be in hell. Don't worry, marriage is not a people, parents, just ignore. Nowadays people, they don't know about anything. They are only in the social pressure. They are just focusing. You just put this, you just go to YouTube. This will be saved. Your complete details, what I have spoken. Send him also and just listen, I asked about you. Just say no. If you want to interest and continue because you already have an engagement and if you are fear in life, fear about your family, ultimately there is one chance. There is one chance.
Okay. I can go and talk.
Be strong. Nothing will happen.
Okay.
Be strong. After marriage you can't take a major decision. Afterwards it is a very tedious process. If you suffer there you can't come back.
Okay.
Because the combination in your horoscope are bad. This is based on your fate.
Okay.
When you get these kind of symptoms,
Okay. Okay.
just because we have told everybody, don't worry about others. This is your life, one life.
Okay.
Don't worry about society. Society will blame me also. The entire society will also blame me. If something goes wrong without my control or with control or without my control, if something goes wrong, people blame me. Don't worry about anything. Public are there to tell. End of the day, it is your life. End of the day, it's your life. Don't be bad. Be good. Don't exaggerate things. This is a suggestion. There are two suggestions. One is a Mumbai. This is the second suggestion. She is ready to submit. She knows the pain. She would have tried all. If he would have this is what is ego. 33 years, still not married. That is the reason. People have to come down in marriage. Go up ego in achieving the outside world. Not at the inside world, which is the family. This is the caution to all the parents and their children. In this Kali Yuga, ego will be the highest. That is the reason marriage fails. Nothing, there is nothing combination of Rahu, combination of Mars, some dosham, you go there, do puja. No. If your children should be happy, only suggestion, if he's a good guy, good guy. Because all are working. Now the conditions where it shows that everybody takes salaries, everything. It's only a mutual understanding it should go. It's just a join together and go. Ego comes. Please sort it out ASAP. If drags along before marriage, very difficult. You should have the fear that I don't get a good bride. You should have that fear. I should respect. Things might be wrong on the other side. People make mistakes. Man make mistakes. But that should not be a full stop. That full stop should continue in life. Then he will also be happy. People who shows that aggression, he will also not be happy. He will also have that tension inside. But he will show as a male aggression. Very bad. Our revolution has gone forward. Especially automation. But our mindset, calmness has not grown wider. Okay, time's up. Let us learn this subject. This subject gives us fantastic insight into our life. Let you people look at your insight. Join this class. I'll suggest that lady also to join this class and understand how to select a partner, what combinations should we select, how to manage my limitations, or my inner lowness to the positiveness. Definitely it can be done. Good luck to everybody. Good night. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.
Utram Veeram Mahavishnu Jwalantam